Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm so happy to see your beautiful face. During our time together today, you are going to need a piece of paper and something to write with because we are going to be learning about syllables. Do you remember what a syllable is? A syllable is a word part. There are lots of different syllables. Today, we're going to be talking about open syllables. If you need a second to get your piece of paper and something to write with, I want you to pause the video now. All right, let's get started with today's lesson. This is the word taken. The word taken can be split up into two different syllables. Now, how did I discover that? Well, it was quite simple. And you know what? It's going to be simple for you too, because you are a word wizard. Here's what I'd like you to do. Put your hand underneath your chin. Now, I want you to say the word taken. Are you ready? Taken. How many times did your chin hit your hand? 2 times. That means the word taken has 2 different parts. This time, I want you to listen carefully because as we listen carefully, it'll help us discover how to split the word into its parts. Taken. It's between the A and the K. Taken. Did you know that it's so super helpful to break up our words? Do you want to know why? Because when we're reading, we do that. We do that because it helps us to understand a word better. Let's move on to our next slide. We're going to spend a little bit of time practicing today. If you get stuck, just put your hand underneath your chin. This is the word robot. How many word parts do you think are in the word robot? Do you remember what to do if you get stuck? Put your hand underneath your chin. Robot. Our hand hit our chin twice, which means robot has 2 word parts. It's up to us to figure out how to split those words. Robot. Robot. Here we have the word silent. Silent also has 2 word parts. Here's what I want you to do. Write the word silent on your piece of paper. It is spelled S-I-L-E-N-T. Can you say the word silent with me? Silent. We are now going to break this word up into its word parts. Silent. Can you do that on your piece of paper? Great job. Let's move on to our next word. This is the word donate. Say it with me. Donate. I'd like you to write the word donate on your piece of paper. D-O-N-A-T-E. Can you say the word donate with me again? Donate. Let's split this word up into word parts. Donate. Do you notice what I've noticed? In the last several words that we have split up into their word parts, we have split them between the vowel and the consonant letter. Take a look at the word silent. I is a vowel. L is a consonant. Take a look at the word robot. O is a vowel, B is a consonant. That is an interesting pattern. Let's take a look at our next word. This is the word frozen. I'd like you to write the word frozen on your piece of paper. F-R-O-Z-E-N. Do you remember what to do if you get stuck and if you can't remember how to break the word up into its word parts? Great job! You put your hand underneath your chin. Can you say the word frozen with me? Frozen. This word also has two word parts. Did you notice where we're going to split this word up into its parts? If not, just put your hand underneath your chin again. Frozen. It's between the O and the Z. Frozen. Can you split the word up on your piece of paper? Great job. Let's move on to our next word. This is the word okay. I'd like you to write the word okay on your piece of paper. O-K-A-Y. Now I want you to split this word up into its parts. Did you split the word up between the O and the K? If so, that is correct. Great job. Here we have the word locate. I'd like you to write the word locate on your piece of paper. L-O-C-A-T-E. I'd now like you to separate the word locate into its word parts. Let's see how you did. Does your word look like my word? If so, you've done such a great job at splitting the words apart into their word parts. Congratulations, you are all done with today's video. In case you needed a reminder, I think you are a word wizard. You are well on your way to discovering syllables that are located in multiple words. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.